continue to inspire people across the country. And today we celebrate his life, his work, and the beauty of mathematics. I would like to invite our mathematics professor, Professor Dr. M.A. Ansari, to guide us for this today's
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
I welcome all my dear colleagues and dear students for this wonderful occasion of celebrating Ramanujan's birthday. Now, on this particular occasion, I would like to mention here that the second year students are going to pass on the baton of continuing this Science Math Club activity to the first year. So, the first year of Science Math Club further will carry the activities whatever will happen in future. Now on this particular day, why we are celebrating the birthday of Ramanujan? Because many a time we don't know what exactly this person had done and what he contributed in this world. So maybe through this celebration, we all may come to know about his contribution and we will definitely get the benefit of it. So without further delay, I will request the members to start the program. But before that, I will request all my dear colleagues to come on the stage along with the Science Math Club of first year and second year to have a group photograph, and then we will continue with the program. So all the faculty members, please come. मैडम को नहीं लगाया दोनों ऐसे पकड़ो You all need to say Mary Ramanujan. Say.
I don't understand what I'm getting.
Your turn, please, your turn. Yes, start. Action.
I request everyone to be silent. Thank you everyone, and thank you sir for your inputs. Before we dive into today's program, let me share with you a little about why we celebrate this day. National Mathematics Day is observed every year on December 22nd, the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Despite having limited formal education in mathematics, Ramanujan made revolutionary contribution to number theory, contributed fractions, infinite series, and much more. This work continues to inspire mathematicians around the world. And now, without further delay, let's begin our program.
To start, we have a very special performance by our classmates from Science Math Club, a skit on the life and contribution of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Through his skit, we will witness the journey of a young boy and a passion of mathematics who, despite of all odds, became the greatest mathematician of all time.
In a humble home in Erode, Tamil Nadu, on December 22nd, 1887, a boy was born who would transform mathematics. His name, Srinivasa Ramanujan.
Ramanujan, why do you spend so much time with those numbers?
Amma, numbers are everywhere in nature. The shape of the waves, the symmetry in flowers, the spiral in pine cones, everywhere.
I never understand what you do the entire day. But I hope it has got something to do with your studies.
Yes, Amma, I am.
Vanakkam, vaanga.
Akka, I am here to talk about Ramanujan's mathematics paper. All the answers are correct, but the method he has followed is different. So, I can't give any marks to him.
Ayyo, Rama, come here. Look what your teacher is telling. You have written all the wrong answers.
No, the answers are not correct. If you are telling I have used a different method, it will use to save calculations and time. Ramanujan, mathematics is not about shortcuts. Solve the method in the textbook.
Not many saw the intellect of young Ramanujan. His struggle with traditional educational setup even continued in college.
You have a great talent, but you cannot pass with others mathematics.
Sir, mathematics solve real problems. It is a language of nature, science. Isn't it worth more than just memorizing facts?
No, rules are rules, Ramanujan.
Ramanujan, your discoveries will someday help people. Don't lose hope. Your work just needs to reach the right people. I'll help you with that. I'll make this paper reach a place where mathematics is appreciated.
Ramanujan received help from many well-wishers who helped to share these papers with other mathematicians. But first, he had to survive. With no college degree in hand, he struggled to find employment. Finally, he landed a job at the Madras port as a clerk through their family friend, Mr. Narayan. Ramanujan was all grown up to face the real world.
Sir, Ramanujan over there keeps thinking something nonsense. Our work is getting affected, sir.
What?
We should do something about this.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you go, I'll take that.
Yes, sir.
Ramanujan, what are you doing? What are these scribblings?
Mr. Narayan, these aren't mere scribblings. I am actually calculating a formula which can calculate the sum of the infinite series. And you know what that means? That means that I can describe the infinity through a formula. Isn't that beautiful?
Beautiful. Ramanujan, your talent is being wasted here. Give me your work. The world needs to see your work.
Through the ports of Madras, Ramanujan's work traveled the vast oceans. to reach the halls of prestigious Trinity College of Cambridge University. Though initially ignored, the work eventually came up to the attention of Mr. G. H. Hardy, one of the well-known mathematics professors at the University of Cambridge during that time.
This is incredible. Parents no one has seen before. This man is a genius. I need to bring him here.
Hardy made arrangements for Ramanujan to come to Cambridge. He recognized Ramanujan's work as revolutionary. Ramanujan reached the faraway lands of Britain.
Yes, sir. Hello, I am Godfrey Hardy. Welcome to Trinity College. Am I pronouncing that properly?
Perfect. It's an honor, sir.
Thank you. I very much look forward to beginning our work. In fact, let's begin now. Your ideas, theorems, they're extraordinary. I've never seen anything like this. But where are the proofs?
What do you mean by that?
Where do you get these ideas from? How do I know that they're correct?
Sir, do you believe in God?
I don't believe in anything I can't prove, and neither does mathematics.
Well, if that is the case, then maybe you won't believe in me. Because when you ask me where I get my ideas from, well, I get my ideas from my God. Namaki. She speaks to me. She whispers formulae in my sleep. She puts them on my tongue. And sometimes when I pray, she comes in my memories, she comes in my dreams. She tells me all of these formulas. She helps me see the beauty of numbers. And all numbers are special, and for me, no equation has any value unless it expresses a thought of God.
All numbers are special.
Yes.
Can you tell me what's so special about that number on the cap there? 1729.
1729. So, actually that's quite special. Let me show you. So, sir, 1729 is the smallest number which can be expressed as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. Let me show you. 1729, I can write that as 1 cube plus 1 cube. That would give me 1729. Another way I can do this is if I add 10 cube plus 9 cube. That will also give me 1729. So I think that number is actually quite special.
Maybe I do trust you. Let's go work on this.
Ramanujan was finally in the place where he belongs. With the help of Mr. Hardy, he started proving his mathematical work. He started gaining recognition and praise for his work, so much so that he now stood in the halls of Trinity College, Cambridge, to be elected as one of the youngest and the first Indian Fellow of the Royal Society. Ramanujan's success was unfortunately short-lived. His health issues caught up to him. He returned to India to recover from his illness, but to no avail. However, this did not stop him from pursuing what he loved, mathematics. At last, on his deathbed, he finally sent one letter and more of his work to Mr. Hardy.
A letter from Ramanujan. Good day, Professor Hardy. I hope you're doing well. I am extremely sorry for not writing a single letter up till now. Within the variables of my health, there exists an inequality. My well-being is not optimal. And the limit as time approaches, an unknown future remains undefined, leaving the precise moment of my last breath indeterminate. But Professor Hardy, keeping the mathematical worlds of my health aside, I discovered very interesting functions recently which I call mock theta functions. Unlike the false theta functions, they enter into mathematics as the ordinary theta functions. Ladies and gentlemen, I need you to understand that the genius we've lost here. Ramanujan's mind was unlike anything we've seen. This final letter is a testament of his dedication, even in the face of limits. His discoveries are groundbreaking, reshaping how we see numbers. Ignoring his legacy would be a disservice to the pursuit of knowledge.
Ramanujan's mathematics was not just theoretical, it brought solutions to real-world challenges. From technology to nature, it touches every aspect of life.
So now, on this day of National Mathematics Day, or soon to be the National Mathematics Day, let us all cheer to Srinivasa Ramanujan, the man who knew infinity and brought meaning to infinity in our world.
Wasn't that an inspiring performance? It beautifully depicted the life of Ramanujan, his struggles, his genius, and the incredible impact he had on the field of mathematics. It's truly a story of perseverance and brilliance.
Now that we have seen a glimpse of his life and his contribution to mathematics, Ramanujan's work, particularly his discoveries in the number, still continue to influence modern mathematicians. His famous collaboration with the British mathematician G.H. Hardy resulted in the discovery of numerous formulas and exploration of number partitions.
These are few of his contributions and impact on our society. Modern architecture, his work is leading sophisticated mathematical formulas which has been applied to structural engineering to design efficient buildings and bridges. Digital technology, his work on infinite series and number theories has inspired algorithms used in computing, influencing the development of modern digital technologies. Natural sciences, advanced research in physics and chemistry, particularly in thermodynamics and quantum mechanics. Engineering models, bridges and machines, analyzing complex mathematical formulas, which has been used to develop models for structural engineering and mechanical systems. Modern algorithms, I will literally rush because he has so many contributions towards our society. Cryptography, key in development of cryptographic algorithms that secures digital communications. Infinite series plays a vital role in mathematical computations used in physics and engineering. Number patterns. Computer sciences discovery of number theory has been used here. Data compression, enhancing the storage, efficiencies and transmission speed. Weather forecasting has been an instrumental in developing algorithms for better understanding and predicting the weather patterns. Digital communications, theory of partition and series has been a foundation in digital communication systems. Financial forecasting, artificial intelligence, encryption technologies, securing online transactions and communications, space exploration, medical imaging like MRI and CT scan, and that's it. Thank you very much.
Now it's time for some fun with numbers. Get ready for an exciting game where we will all test your skills with some basic mathematical problems. I would like to call Reema, Umit and Vivek for the game.
Good morning, everyone. Fun time, game time. So we're about to play a game of bingo. I'm sure everyone here knows what bingo is, but as a good host, I must tell you all the rules of the game. So two boys from FY, Vivek and Bhuman, they're going to be distributing tickets. Yeah, okay. So our two very efficient boys from S5BA are going to be distributing bingo tickets to everyone. I will be reading out questions, the answers to which would be on your ticket. I'm not going to be calling out the direct numbers like we usually do in bingo. So you'll have to solve those questions and the answers to it would be on your ticket. Don't worry, very easy questions, very basic questions. Have kept everyone, people from not math and science background also in mind, yes. No, please, don't be a buskill and use calculators or Google. It is very basic mental math, you can do it, trust me. So please, distribute the tickets. Okay, and I'll tell you what the winning categories are. The first winning category would be any one line. You all can either complete one horizontal line or one vertical line. The second category would be 4 corners.
One pencil and one ticket, right?
Okay, in case we have printed around 80 tickets, but in case there is a shortage of papers, the tickets, let's be resourceful, economical. 2 people can share a ticket.
What are the gifts?
Did everyone receive a ticket or at least are sharing it with someone? Take this game seriously, there are real gifts, okay? I'm not joking. We have arrangements. Yes.
We have budget?
Yeah, we have.
I don't know.
Okay, everyone has a ticket? Yeah? Okay. Is everyone thorough with the rules?
No.
Okay. The rules are, I will be saying the questions. You all have to pick the answers to those questions on your tickets. Okay. At one time, there will be multiple winners. So the person who claims it first gets it. Okay? The first winning category is a line. It could either be a horizontal line or a vertical line. Okay? There won't be any diagonals because if you see the space in your center is kept as a free. Okay? So, there are no diagonals. Okay? And yes, then, yeah, why not? Everyone will pass.
No diagonals. You cannot make a diagonal line. Anyways, the middle space is free space, so there won't be any diagonals.
Yes.
Only horizontal. Horizontal, vertical. Okay?
Is everyone ready? I will be saying the question once. Keep your eyes, ears, hands, brains open. Okay? The first question for you is the perimeter of a square with side length 6. Square. Perimeter. Perimeter of a square with side length 6. Okay? Take the answer off. And claim whenever you all are done. Okay? If you complete a line or you'll have to complete an entire line or complete the 4 corners. Whoever does it and claims it first gets the point. Second question. Are we ready for the second one? Okay. The sum of the first 5 even numbers. Sum of the first 5 even numbers.
140 140 आयुषी 140
Do not say the answers in chorus. Let others solve.
एक सौ चालीस ना ये 140 है ना
Alright, are we done with the first 2 questions? Yes! So now, there is a suggestion that for people, let's solve them together. Even though I have given you all the questions, most of you all must have picked it. But for those facing difficulties, you should not. But those who are, for them, the first question, it was the perimeter of a square with side length 6. Anyone who knows the formula for perimeter of a square? Yes. Future teachers, can we raise the hand and answer? Yes. 4 into? Yes. 4 into 7. And the side was 6. So the mathematical operation would be 6 multiplied by 4, which is 24. So everyone please take off 24 on your second question. Okay.
When you get the final answer right on the top, let it remain. So that at the end you can check. Bas, that's it.
Okay. Now the second question was sum of the first 5 even numbers. One kind soul, please tell me what the first 5 even numbers
soul?
First 5 even numbers, yes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are the classic 3. Yes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 का sum. Okay, now the third question is a question that I'm going to be writing on the board. We are going to use our tools that we've learned in the school to solve for equation.
Right, board.
Right, but it is cut out.
कितना गाली देते हैं मेरे को बारह आंसर है 12 अरे नहीं नहीं पता मेरे को इसका कितना -6 + 8 आंसर होगा.
Okay, is there anyone who has completed with a line? Because we are done with 3 questions so far. No one has completed a single line, neither horizontal nor vertical. You are done?
What are
Yes, both are
What are you doing? Are you okay?
क्या आपके पास जीपे है? Excuse me? हमारे गिफ्ट चाहिए? सीरियस हो गया?
ए लंबू राइट है ना मार गएगा.
Okay.
Shoot.
Girls and boys, it is not a wrong question. The question is correct. Dilshad will show you the working now. Okay, class. We have one winner for a horizontal line. Now, what you all are competing for is 4 corners and a vertical line. Am I clear? Yes. Can we go to the 4th question now? Yes. Everyone ready? Yes. Find the circle with a radius 7. Circle with radius 7 should be your sorry, I want the area of a circle with radius 7. Area of a circle with radius 7. Let's go back to standard 6. You win something.
वर्टिकल चाहिए अभी. वर्टिकल चाहिए. वर्टिकल या फिर कॉर्नर. वर्टिकल या फिर कॉर्नर.
We go to the FY girl. Your name please.
नाइस. हाँ इधर कॉर्नर या वर्टिकल. इधर वर्टिकल या फिर कॉर्नर. अरे मेरी माइक 2 3 4. अच्छा 1 2 3 4 या फिर डायगोनल हुआ तो भी रेस तो कर दे और बढ़ा दे. अभी हॉरिजॉन्टल नहीं खेल. कहाँ पे घर जा. नीलेश तेरा ड्यूटी है ना. लाइव का ड्यूटी किसका है? तेरा है ना साले. घुमा सॉल्व कर रहा है क्या तू? हाँ लंबो.
She was the first one to claim the vertical line, so she wins the vertical line. Is there anyone with 4 corners?
चीटिंग कर रहे थे. चीटिंग कर
पकड़ चलो घुमा.
Okay, so for those of you all who are confused with the answer, the question was area of a circle with the radius 7. Dilshad did the working here. The answer was 154. Talking about the game, horizontal vertical lines have been claimed. Now, the only thing you are competing for is 4 corners. Okay? And remember, whoever claims it first gets it. Excellent. Are we ready for the 5th question? Yeah? Okay. So, 25% of 200. Anyone with 4 corners? 50. Who got 4 corners? Who got 4 corners? You? What's your name? Jagruti. So FY, you all have 2 winners. FY has taken the lead, unfortunately. Okay, so FY 2 winners so far, 4 corners by Tanvi and Okay, we are still left with the entire ticket, but again, यहाँ पे many people will complete their ticket at once. Whoever claims it first gets it. Okay? Shall we move on to our question number 4? Sorry, question number 5, right?
So right now we have 2 from F5s and 1 from SY. Let's raise the bar everyone. SY, buckle up, jaldi karo.
I have this also.
Chalo, 6 questions.
But I don't win also.
Okay, we are done with 5 questions so far. We already have winners for vertical line, horizontal line, 4 corners, 2 from FY, 1 from SY. SY, what are you doing? And let's complete the ticket now. Are we ready for question number 5? Yes. 6. Yeah. Your question is square root of 625. Who said 35? Whoever said 35. Okay, let's go on quickly now. For the next question, the question is again very easy. Sides in a decagon. How many sides does a decagon have? Ticket on you. You got a full housey?
Yes, madam.
Girls and boys. To complete 1 ticket, we need to complete 8 questions. We are not on question number 8 yet. How are you getting a full house? Keep up the spirit, keep up the spirit. Okay. The next question is a bit mathematical. Everyone solve it. Of course. Sum of the first 4 prime numbers. I repeat, sum of the first 4 prime numbers.
Vivek.
Okay. Alright.
Second was Alman.
Girls and boys, शांत हो जाओ, इमोशंस पे कंट्रोल करो everyone. पहले हम सबके tricks देखेंगे and then हम लोग बोलेंगे कौन जीतेगा.
Listen.
I was seeing the order in which the hands were raised. First was Almas, second was, I'm sorry, I don't.
Second was Vivek.
Second was Neetu. So if Almas has not done it correctly, Neetu will be the next winner. If you're not done.
Okay.
Okay, so the 2 winners for the housey that came up were Ritu and Almas. Almas was from SY and Ritu is from SY. And now we see the working of the 2 questions. What are the first 4 prime numbers, anyone? 2, 3, 5, 7, everyone agrees these are the first 4 prime numbers. What is the Okay, so we have our winners. There is a tie in the for the full housing between Almas and Ritu. Because both the correct answers. Again, I would like to ask, does everyone everyone who won have GPay because our gifts will be given on GPay. Yes, I'm not joking. Everyone has GPay? Yes. So you all are going to get food coupons. Hey, come on, everyone likes food, okay? So we have coupons for Zomato, Swiggy, Domino's, 10 and 100% off. What do you mean no? Yes. Okay, so that was for the games part. I would like to please call all the winners up. The vertical line, horizontal line,
Ma'am.
I would also like to extend a big thanks to Sumit and Vivek for distributing the tickets.
तू खेल रहा साले, तू क्यों खेल रहा है? मैं किधर खेल रहा हूँ? अभी मैच जीता है, मैं ही जीता है। जय लाइव क्वालिटी किसका था? लाइव क्वालिटी किसका है? किसका है लाइव क्वालिटी? लंबू तो क्या कर रहा है बे? इसको कुछ समझ नहीं आता। मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? पता नहीं ऐसे चीज़ से क्या पता नहीं ऐसे चीज़ से क्या क्या बोल रही पता नहीं कैसे जीती सर वेरीफाई करते हाँ फोकट का खाना नहीं मिलना चाहिए बराबर है फालतू जोक मार मत फालतू जोक मार मत तेरे को कुछ बोलना है मस्त लगा मेहनत ज़्यादा मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा है गो गो आपको कुछ बोलना है
अरे मेरा बैग गुम कर दिया
क्या
हाँ
कौन सा कलर का बैग
अरे बैग कहाँ मेरा
बैग किधर है
लेके गए ना
पापा
कर रही है
Thank you so much for the participation.
You all
have to show your ticket.
Smile. Say maths. Maths.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the participation, everyone.
Okay, hold on. Thank you so much for participating. I hope you all had fun. I now call back upon your host for the day, Krishna.
ले सेटअप बना सेट करना
क्या
सेटअप बना
ये किसका है
कितना यहाँ पे क्या करते
I understand the energy for the game. After the game, I request everyone to please settle down. There's a one last foam. Congratulations to all the participants and especially to our winners.
क्या हुआ
You all did a great job. Up next to celebrate this, we have a special poetry performance which will highlight the elegance and wonder of mathematics. Let's enjoy the poetry on Srinivasa Ramanujan by Shakti.
ओके शीज डेड
हाँ दिख रही अरे आज एकदम शांत है ना
इवेंट है ना नेक्स्ट
Okay, so I have a small poem which I have dedicated to Ramanujan. I want complete silence, everyone. Last precious words. Good? Okay. In the heart of India, a spark was born, a mind so bright, a genius born. Srinivasa Ramanujan, a name so true, a master of numbers with visions new. Without books, without guides to show, he wandered in numbers where few would go. Patterns and sums like stars in the night, he uncovered their secrets with pure insight. To Campbell's shores, his talent flew, where Hardy saw a genius through and through. Together they worked, breaking new ground, creating a legacy that forever would resound. Infinite series, Ramanujan's magical thread, formulas for pi that still speed ahead. Partitions of numbers, his wondrous feat, revealing truths no one had seen so sweet. In primes he saw threads that no one knew, in series a world that others withdrew. Mach theta functions, mysterious and deep, held secrets the future would surely keep. From continued fractions to elliptic curves, his mind opened doors where maths soars. Ramanujan's prime, his clever play, and 1729, a tale that still holds sways. Though his time was brief, his gift immense, his legacy in math will never be dense. In every theorem, in every line, lives the magic of brilliant mind. Thank you so much. अच्छा हम श्रीला को
आपको पहुंचने जीरो गैलेक्स ये सोच लो
That was a beautiful way to bring together the mathematical values of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Mathematics is indeed a language that transcends the boundary, and that poem reminds us the elegance in every number and every equation.
As we near the end of today's celebration, now I would like to call up on our principal, Dr. Bhagwan Varani sir, to give the inputs.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
First time.
I'm very happy to see you colorful clothes. The reason is that the whole class looks very vibrant. And I will wish that each day you shall come in very good clothes. And the way you radiate energy, you pass on that energy to us also. So I'm very happy to be here with you on this morning, a lovely morning, whereas you radiate knowledge and inspire others to acquire more knowledge. Let me share with you, yesterday, two educationists, administrators from Dubai, scholars, they came to BTDC and they spent 1 hour with us. What did they say exactly to us that we have given them at least 25 student teachers from Bombay Teachers Training College who have joined Dubai scholars. They said that they are true leaders and they are doing an amazing job over there. So we were highly delighted. And the feedback that they gave to us was the curriculum that you have designed is updated. The curriculum that you execute in the classroom is totally experience-based, where students are partners, where students take the leadership role, and then these programs are endorsed by the students, are executed by the students. So these are leadership-driven, we can say, strategies that Bombay Teachers Training College is using. I'm very happy to listen to this feedback from them, and they are planning to spend at least 2 to 3 days at Bombay Teachers Training College in the month of Jan. And if you wish to aspire to go to Dubai and settle down over there, you are most welcome. Now, what is most important to settle down in Dubai? Number one, you need to have a well-defined CV of yours, and if you can elaborate more on your student portfolio, e-portfolio, and if you can have your own website, and if you can really upload everything that the content that you have created over here, where you are part of that with your friends. So there are different ways to develop the e-portfolio and showcase your abilities, your skills, your engagements, and much more. So I will wish that please stay back in the college premises. The whole building is yours. We are not going to charge anything to you all. Sit back, discuss it with your friends, and try to develop your portfolio. This is for everyone, irrespective of the class that you are studying in. The reason is that portfolios cannot be developed overnight. Portfolios are developed along with the time. Every day you need to collect the best pictures of yourself, of your friends, or the activities where you are totally engaged in, your testimonial, your certificates, your creative craft, whatever things that you have done, your assignments, your essays, your beliefs, many things are your lesson plans, your social media, content creation, whatever you like the most, which you think describes you professionally. Please include this in your portfolio, and if you need any guidance, please consult your teachers. Show them your portfolio and take their feedback. We will send your portfolios to more than 500 schools, international schools in India, in Bombay, as well as abroad. This is what determined. And we have opened the doors for all the schools to visit Bombay Teachers Training College every Saturday till 30th of April. We have kept it open. If they wish to come here, if they wish to address you, if they showcase about the program that school is offering, or if they wish to conduct online interviews, or if they wish to call you for demo lessons, we are free to engage them. Now, the students who are there in second year of B.Ed, please be mentally prepared to appear for the interviews. Okay, so please prepare yourself, come in a very good attire, do your work, assignments, given by your teachers on time, complete your lesson plans. Now, we have also discussed, you have got a unique opportunity to reach to the target of 80 lesson plans. Now, our curriculum describes or defines 50 to 55 lessons. These are adequate according to the Indian standards. But the recent norms which we have learned, which we confirm with the Dubai school lovers, and they say that if college can certify lessons up to 80 teaching hours, if you can create the evidences, and then if the school teachers and the professors endorse, the principal will sign those documents, we can certify and those will be accepted internationally. So you have got, a student has got a unique chance to do more practice teaching, more internship, spend more time, take up more teaching portfolios, write your lesson plans, get it approved from your respective teachers, and the template that we have given to you will be modified in due course of time. Ansari sir has taken a leadership role in that, and he is going to really help you how to update, create documents which will be certified by Government Teachers Training College. Because once those certificates are signed, okay, when we are here in real time in our office, retrospectively we cannot do anything. So tomorrow, suppose that Singapore, you apply to a school in Singapore and they demand that please give certificate up to your teaching hours up to 80 years. Then none of the teachers will entertain you. Are you getting it? If you come back in the year 2028, please certify to me up to 80 teaching hours. I have done so much, I have done so much. Retrospectively, we don't do anything. We do everything in front of us. Whatever you will do, we will endorse. Now, somebody has taken up 3 to 4 periods in a school, and if you have got a record, if you have written your lesson plans, and if school teachers have endorsed or the school principals, bring it to us. Our professor will sign it, our practice teaching in charges will sign, and I will ask them. So I will urge to those students who aspire to be a global teacher, go to the international level, please try to complete how many teaching hours? 80. And we are ready to certify. Still you have got Jan, Feb, March, April. Your examination will be in the month of August. First, second and third August. Got it? So, you will get 15 days, 2 weeks in June, 4 weeks in July. So, still you have got 5.5 months to complete teaching assignments of minimum 80 hours if you aspire to be a global teacher. And we are ready for it. We have taken a decision yesterday in the staff meeting because you know our culture. Whatever decision that we take are collective, unanimous. Okay? Dima is nodding the head because she knows that she has to go Canada. Okay, you have gone or not? Yeah, she has gone. Now she wants a permanent. Dima will be the first student of Bombay Teachers Training College. She will come teaching hours. Got it? Please do that, Beta. We will support you. Now, another opportunity. Nehru Science Center has organized a wonderful event tomorrow. I think tomorrow. I will just see this schedule. And we will wish that, because we have a very long association collaboration with Nehru Science Center, and yesterday I have received a special invitation for Bombay Teachers Training College students. Now they are going to do the demonstrations how to teach STEM courses. What does STEM mean? Wow, excellent. Very good. So, and this workshop is going to be a very unique, and I keep it open for all the FI council members, leaders. Please take a Google form with us, register it right now, and our science and maths teachers will accompany you. You have to be there at the gate of Nehru Science Center 9:30 sharp. First you register it and see that you learn the most from this educational visit. And I think everybody is aware about the Nehru Science Center. We had a Teachers' Day, we celebrated over there. Okay? So now let us come to the today's event. Today's event is very important for everyone because mathematics, if you talk about the mathematics is the language of all the languages. And somebody says mathematics is the mother of all the mothers. You cannot do without mathematics in your life. One can do without one's mother tongue, but one cannot do without mathematics. So mathematics can be considered as the grandmother of your mother, or its mother. So it's very important. And the most important thing, the level of knowledge of application of the mathematics determines the class of the society. Please, whatever I am saying, it is not written in any book, but Ansari sir just said that Ansari sir and myself, we used to share the portfolio of teaching mathematics. Okay, nowadays I don't come to the classroom, but whatever the sentence which I am saying, please remember this. The knowledge of application of the mathematics in the real life determines the class of the group or a society or a country or a community. The more you will apply the mathematical models in your life, the more advanced, we can say, you will make your life more advanced. Let me give you a couple of examples. Let's take example of Swiggy and Zomato. Swiggy and Zomato, while designing the apps, they have used mathematics to measure the distance in the real time. As a person moves from one point to the another point, the app measures time, distance, everything in the real time, and it is visible to the administrators who are providing services to goods holders. So the position with these companies in the real time, they get to know what they are doing, where they are there in the space and time. This is nothing but the best application of mathematics. Mathematics. Likewise, think of any app. You cannot design the app without mathematics. Everywhere in the globe. Take the example of Uber, take the example of airlines, take the example of railways. And nowadays, you must have heard that in a car where you are moving in, there won't be any toll numbers nowadays. The more you will move, the more you will have to pay the taxes. Because your movement will be traced through the GPS model. So these are different mathematical models which have been designed and developed by the new age mathematicians, students like you, because these are young children who pursue data science, data engineering. They are able to design the apps, but the grassroots level, who has created the basic fundamental knowledge of mathematics is Ramanujan. I think in the memory of the distinguished Indian scientist Ramanujan and all other mathematicians, let us let us learn mathematics, let us take inspiration from their learning, and let us advance their knowledge, apply in the society, and motivate our students to take the mathematics to the next level. Not taking much of you. Thank you very much. Have a great time at Bombay. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call Professor Dr. M.A. Ansari to give his inputs.
First of all, I would like to thank our principal, Dr. Bhagwan Balani, for the wonderful input that he has given. And I am sure second year student will endorse that part in the coming days. And of course, first year student has to undergo that procedure, which we will start very soon. Now, sir, just to brief you about the program that we have today for the National Mathematics Day. Students have very nicely prepared the skit. I must tell you one thing, sir, that with the SLEs, with their internship, whatever things they are doing, I have just told them 2 weeks in advance that we have to do this program, and finally it took shape. And that is how all the students of Science Math Club were involved in this, and I'm sure the first year Science Math Club will further continue this trend. So the skit was very nice, right from the birth till the death of Ramanujan was explained to them. We have used the magazine concrete to abstract so that they can use it in future also. Then contribution of Srinivasa Ramanujan was shown through PPT. Further, a game was played, bingo, where all the students were the participants. So you can say 100% students, they participated and they behaved like small kids, as if they are in 600 or 700. The person who was conducting the program has to really take care and to how to control them. That was the biggest challenge. But anyhow, at the end, the result was that 6 students, first three students from first year and 3 students from second year, they won the prize. So I request the 6 students to please stand up. Yes, so sir, here the 6 students are there. So just behind you. 3 from first year, 2 from second year. Then we ended the program by a small poem, that is the poem related to Srinivasa Ramanujan. And finally we have come to the end of this program. I am so happy, sir, that from last number of years, as you have already mentioned, that we both are building this portfolio and we want to do a number of things in a concrete manner. So now we are getting enough opportunity to do this, and students are equally participating in that. And I'm sure students will not let down us in future. Students say, are you going to continue this? Yes! So I will want the other club student to celebrate the birthday of the great people in your own pedagogy also, and you can take the help of Science Math Club. Through Science Math Club, you can celebrate that. That is another invitation to you. So it's up to you how the first year is going to further continue. So with this, the program ended very nicely. Thanks to all the first year students, second year students. I will request them to please come on the stage. So let's also see that who had done that skit. All first year and second year Science Math Club students, please come. Those who have done the skit, they will stand down so that there will be a bifurcation here. Please stand down. I will request sir to please join for the photograph. Second year Science Math Club student also please come out. I will also come. One second, let second year also come. So the first year. Where are the first year?
Sir, आप
अच्छा एक फर्स्ट ईयर से जियो टैग लिया है Wait, the first year student please come first.
दिख रही है जियो टैग ले रही है वो वन टू थ्री अरे रे अच्छा स्टैंड है वो तो पुराने ही है एंड करना है एंड करना हाँ करना है ना हो गया ना अच्छा तबस्सुम किसने बोली थी ये सब बताती हूँ वो बाल वाली लिखते बैठे हाँ ये बंद करो ना ये बंद कर एंड कर इसको भी एंड करना है वोट ऑफ थैंक्स
Now I would like to call upon Srishti Patel to propose a formal vote of thanks.
I, Srishti Patel, on behalf of Former Teachers Training College, part of HSLC University, I am honored to give this formal vote of thanks. I sincerely thank our esteemed Principal Dr. Bhagwan Malani sir. I would like to thank our Vice Principal Dr. Mandeep Kaur Kochar for her encouragement. A big thank you to our Professor Dr. N.A. Ansari for giving us this opportunity and their continuous support and guidance. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the Science Maths Club members. I also like to thank the inspiring faculty members of BTTC and the other non-teaching I would like to thank the energetic audience to make
साइंस मैथ क्लब के लिए आवाज करो वापस करो
बस
फिर से करो